So we are trying our first Too Good to Go. Sorry, I'm just going up some stairs here. And at this restaurant. I cannot believe how much food we got. This is crazy and it is very, very heavy and I have to eat this. It smells so good. And I just like to say, I don't know if this food was really too good to go, like it was leftovers, because it just smells incredible. And I'm pretty sure they made it while we were waiting. So let's go eat. Oh, wait, first, if you want to know how I made my absolutely fabulous ladder pot holder here, it's available over on my channel, the tutorial. So go over there, but let's eat. Look at all of this gorgeous food. It is, I cannot tell you how good this smells. Again, we need to have smell-o-vision here because, wow, and it is so much food for less than $15. I am too excited to taste this. I mean, really. Oh, seriously, I can't. You guys, this is so good. Highly recommend. Fusion Restaurant and Lounge in Toronto. Go there. Order on the Too Good To Go app. Just go there, because the owner is awesome. The staff is awesome. Everyone was just fantastic and awesome. So absolutely, I'm sorry. I'm just going to go finish this because it's so good. Use the Too Good To Go app. Save some food waste and definitely try Fusion Restaurant in Toronto. And another Too Good To Go food score. Tim Hortons, of course, and this whole big box was only $4.99, so let's see what's inside. Alrighty, let's see what we got from Tim Hortons, and holy moly, that is a lot of donuts and Timbits, and there's even a cookie in there, and that is, I don't know, but it looks really good, some kind of pastry, definitely worth $4.99. And another awesome score, I hope, from Too Good To Go. This is full of candy and sweets from iSweet.ca. So let's go open it and see what we got. Check out this. Dolly Parton's caramel turtle. I am crazy excited to make that. I don't know what this is. Takis Blue Heat, some cotton candy drink, cookies, Cinnabon, red vines, and these two envelopes. So let's dump them out and yeah. Oh my goodness. This supposedly is all like imported candy and stuff, and I truly think it is because I haven't really heard of any of these. So this one, even more. This, look at this lolly. That's well protected. Popping candy, Captain Crunch, some more little candies. But I think definitely worth it just for the Dolly Parton caramel turtle cake. I'm super excited to go pick up our first surprise bag from the supermarkets, and of course I'll be sharing that with you as well. But if you haven't already, and if it's available in your area, absolutely download and install the Too Good To Go app, because food is crazy expensive and you're also helping to combat food waste. Oh, and it's not just food on there. I mean, like, there's pet stores on there in my area, so give it a try and let me know what you think of it down below. And of course, this isn't sponsored in any way. They are not paying me to say this. I just really, really love this app, and I want everybody to enjoy it as much as I am.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.